This video will explore the functions and processes used by our RVT2DWG app. The RVT2DWG is an easy-to-use application that will export Revit project sheets into AutoCAD drawing files. It will also single or batch process the drawings to create standard PWGSC deliverables. Let's begin in Revit. I'm going to use the provided sample project found at the address listed on your screen. The sample project was created using PWGSC Standard Revit Template, which includes PWGSC Standard title blocks, text families, dimension families, and much more. For each submission to PWGSC, a set of export files will need to be created. To start the process, go to the Application menu, Export, CAD Format, and DWG Files. Let's create a new export setup by clicking the three-dot button right beside the Select Export Setup. In the Modify DWG Export Setup, let's create a new setup for PWGSC National Capital Area. Then, from the Load Layers from Standard drop-down menu, select Load Settings from File. Browse to the address found on your screen. This file is a custom mapping for Revit objects to PWGSC National Capital Area Standards layer. It's made to function with our own PWGSC National Capital Area CAD Standard Revit template. Click OK to dismiss the Modify DWG Export Setup dialog box and click Next to export. Verify that the export views on sheet and link as external references is unchecked and click OK to save the file. Let's open the exported drawing in AutoCAD. Next, I'm going to run the PWGSC QA check just to confirm that the drawing doesn't meet the PWGSC standards requirements. If you are familiar with the QA check from PWGSC, you know that it verifies 4 different items within your drawing, including layer names, dimension style, layers, and block names. Go to the Add-ins ribbon tab and select the RVT2DWGSC command. A series of routines will run to transform the drawing to meet the PWGSC National Capital Area CAD standards. Once the program has done running, let's run the QA check one more time to confirm that everything is okay. This means that all 4 items now passes the QA check and your project is ready to be submitted. Thanks for watching. For more information, please visit our website at atlanticcad.com/products or email us at